Are we back? Look what it is. Joe Better Racing. Yeah. Gonna put baby back on the road. It's been a minute. When I say it's been a minute, it's been a minute. Matter of fact, I'm gonna show y'all how long it's been a minute since she's been driving. What that tag say? Oh, yeah, it's been a minute. But now, we're finna put it back together. Clean up the engine compartment just a little bit. And we got the big block going in. Yeah. So we're gonna get started. Gonna drop it in. So here it goes. Gonna see if we can get the tires pumped up on it. Like I say, it's been a minute, so bear with me. I don't work alone, so you gotta bear with me. But we're gonna try to get it pushed back so we can get the engine horse in front of it. Okay, so we're back. I've got the engine horse. Oh, let me show y'all this. This is a friend of mine car I've been working on for maybe 2-3 years maybe. He brought it to me to try to get it together. It was 4-speed. We changed it all over. We made it automatic. That has a 400 turbo with automatic shifter B&M in it. And also, I've been knowing him for 30 years plus. And this is how he rode. Oh, you can't see it. Need light on it. Hold on, I'm gonna get the light for this one. Big block, 2.4s. This is how he rode now, I'll tell you. He would have it no other way. But he's passed now. I'll tell you, we was great friends. And he passed while I had this car. And I got it together, I got it back running. So I'm gonna give it to his son that he left his things to. So, but anyway, I just wanted to show you this. Nice piece. All right, got the jack. Need the jack to hold the transmission up. So we get the bar out. There's my old trusty engine horse. Yeah. Won't be long now. We're gonna put the heartbeat in this Chevy. Hopefully, I know I'm by myself. Hopefully, it won't take us as long as we think. Oh yeah, I'm not gonna lie to you. This is a big block Chevy. It's 454 board, 30 over. Aluminum heads, 1050 dominated copper. So hopefully when we get it all together, it's gonna be fast. Gotta be super careful doing it the way I'm doing it now, because there's no covers on the rocker on the valve train. So you don't want to drop nothing in the valve train and don't know about it. Okay, so we got it on the engine horse, and we got to get something taken off the horse. I'm going to show y'all something. Maybe I need to get the camera a little bit closer. Yeah, I'm going to get the camera. Show y'all something that you don't want to forget when you're putting your engine in. Believe it, I've done it. No flex plate. I have put it in and forgot to put it on. I have to take the engine all the way out. So we're going to get the flex plate this time. Make sure we put the flex plate on. And the flex plate is right here. See? Flex plate. I always use a good flex plate. Or some people say flywheel. So, well, this is how I kept up with my boats. I taped them to the flywheel. That way I got ready to put it back. I knew I had it. But back to what I was saying. 4/68 are external balance, so you have to have a flywheel with a balancer on it. If not, it would vibrate from, so you know the rest of it. But anyway, the flywheel has to have a balancer on it. I'm gonna lay these right here so I can get the tape off my flex plate. Flex plate, flywheel, two of the same. Sometimes flywheel, they be thinking manual, so you'll get a manual flywheel. So they start, so it's really a flex plate. And the flex plate, the crankshaft has a center hole. You have to line the center hole to the crankshaft. Normally there's a pin in it. For some reason my pin is not there. But I promise you, if you do not line that center hole up with the flywheel or that pin in this engine, there's a vibration that possibly will tear up your engine. No bolt. That's your lineup hole. Normally a pin. Make sure your flywheel flex plate is on properly. Make sure the engine side is to the engine side. I'm sorry. I need to get the socket. Now I'm gonna tell you this, and it's up to you. I already got my torque wrench set. I always put mine on 80, but a lot of people don't even torque them. They used to tell me tight is the torque. got the torque. Okay. So you see we got the engine hanging over the car. Now we got to find a new place. I'm sorry. Got to find a new place for the camera.